So today I want to talk about faith, and I want to talk about that word in its general term, not necessarily religious or anything like that, but in the sense of having faith in something. When you blindly go into something, you jump in head first, all those analogies for, basically just believing in something and knowing that you're all right. Faith, in a sense, could sum it up, if you're not religious, as confident, being brave. We want to look at jumping in all the way towards doing something very hard, which is changing how you eat and your whole lifestyle and everything around your diet and your fitness and the way you live your life. We want to change that completely forever, but with ease, and we want to make sure that we jump in all the way and know that it's going to work out. And as I've mentioned before, my way of explaining confidence is knowing that you'll be okay when it's not. And that says a lot about how I approach things. So it's like, yeah, I know it's going to suck. Not everything's going to be fine. Not everything is going to work out. There's going to be things that just won't work out. There's going to be mess ups, but you'll be okay. And if you just stick to it and you just stick to the course and have faith in yourself and then the process, and you believe in it so much that you don't stray as much as if you didn't believe fully and you didn't make a decision to jump in all the way. I think it's really, really important to calm yourself and just totally buy into the fact that this is what you're doing. This is who you are. You're part of this now, and that's it. And you're on the journey forever. This struggle will go on and on and on forever, and you'll be stronger. You cannot expect to lift a weight and just all of a sudden be stronger. You have to keep at it, and you're going to get stronger over time through repetition, and then you get bigger, and then other things come into play, and protein makes the muscles better, and if you're cut, then the muscles stand out more, stuff like that. Similar analogy to the way you live your life. So you have to keep at it. You have to keep putting in the reps towards something. Keep bringing your attitude and your mental framework towards something, and just keep repping that out, like shaking it off, those negative things. Get back up. If you mess up, it's okay. Just keep at it. This is how you're going to be. This is how people in the top tiers of everything that they do, they just keep putting in the reps, metaphorically and physically. So that's what we want to do. And you're not going to do that if you don't truly believe that it's going to work. You're going to be like, well, I did one bicep curl, I'm not stronger, I'm not jacked. It's obviously not, because you only did one. You have to keep at it. You have to become this, and your results aren't because you have done something, it's because you continuously do it. And that's what we want to do. We want to keep putting in our mental framework, our confidence, our faith in it, that this is going to work, and this is how we're going to be, and we're going to get something for that. That's the way the world works. Sometimes the ratio of what you get out and put in sometimes isn't aligned, but that's because maybe things are misaligned and the technique is wrong, or something doesn't suit you or where you're at. There's a lot of variables, but we want to strip that down. Just know, let's go in all the way and just believe that this is the way it's going to be, and we're going to rep this out mentally forever, for the rest of your life. And if you mess up for a month, 2 months, 3 months even, let's say you just binge eat and you're screwing up, you got to get back on. You got to just keep going, and the never ever stopping is part of it. And that's how I am, and I've been working out my whole life, off and on, and that helps, because when I do go back, it's like blowing up a balloon that's already been blown up. It just goes right back to its great default, and then it's easier, and then you can go from there. So that's kind of what I wanted to say today. Hope you guys like that one, and until tomorrow, good night. What?